celebrate the 52nd anniversary of the National Food Authority, a significant occasion that invites us to reflect on the crucial role this institution plays in our nation's life. The theme that you have chosen for this year, Tiyak na Bigas, Panatag ang Bukas, speaks of the assurance that comes when the basic needs of our people are met. When rice is secure, the future feels stable. The NFA's role in making sure that rice reaches every table reflects this gospel value, ensuring that every Filipino, regardless of status, can live with dignity and security.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the National Food Authority 52nd Founding Anniversary Celebration.
Mula Luzon hanggang Mindanao, Rehiyon 1 hanggang 12, National Capital Region, Caraga at Barm. Pamilyang NFA, mabuhay! It is so nice to see you all here. We feel privileged that you have joined us to grace our 52nd NFA anniversary celebration here at the Central Office in Quezon City.
NFA's past is full of glorious moments. It has performed its mandate well and continues to do so. At even date, I am happy to inform you that since my appointment as acting administrator, we have accomplished more. I hope that they will remember us all that they have a peaceful and abundant future because we have made sure that the supply of rice for all Filipinos is secure even in times of calamities. Muli, tiyak ang bigas, panatag ang bukas.
Yes, these are the good times. 'Cause everything is better when we get together.
Congratulations sa inyo at after 9 years at tumaas na rin ang stock rate ng NFA. NFA is now implementing also the Pasagana Agri-Food Infrastructure Modernization Program to help modernize our country's agriculture and infrastructure. We will put up post-harvest facilities like high-capacity dryers and other rice processing machineries. This 93 billion peso program will be implemented mainly by NFA. With the NFA's support, I am very confident that we will meet our goals for the agricultural sector tungo sa bagong Pilipinas. Sama-sama po nating tuparin ang tema ng ating pagdiriwang. Tiyak ang bigas, panatag ang bukas. Again, I wish everyone a meaningful and productive anniversary. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.